Hello guys, welcome to the series of Android interview question and answer. In today's video, we will discuss about what is context in Android and how is it used. So in Android, a context is a fundamental and critical class that provides information about the current state and environment of an application. It is an essential component for many Android operations and is used to access resources, start activities, and interact with the Android system. There are several types of context in Android, primarily derived from the context class. The first is application context. This represents the application environment. It is often used for tasks that require the global context of the application, such as accessing resources, getting the application's package name, or creating system services. Activity context. This represents the current activity environment. It is used to perform tasks specific to a particular activity, like launching new activities or creating views. It has a shorter life cycle than the application context and should be used with caution to avoid memory leaks. The next is service context. This is used within background services. It provides a context with the life cycle and characteristic of the service it belongs to. Context is used in various ways in Android development. Accessing resource. You can use a context to access resources such as layout, string, and image. For example, context.get resources.get a string, retrieve a string resource. A starting activity and services. To launch new activity, services, or broadcast, you need to use a context. For example, context.startActivity intent. Start a new activity. Accessing system service. You can use get system service context.service name to access system service like the location manager, alarm service, and notification service. Database access. When working with database, you often need a context to create and manage database connection. Inflating views. When creating views dynamically, you need a context to inflate layout resources. Context is a key concept in Android development because it provides a way for various components and activities to interact with the broader Android system and access necessary resources and services. It's important to use the appropriate type of context depending on the task and to be mindful to the potential for memory leaks, especially when using activity context.